In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a receipt on Wix with this comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're a business owner or a freelancer using Wix to manage your invoices and receipts, this step-by-step walkthrough will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. To begin, open your browser and navigate to wix.com. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard. From here, you need to locate the section labeled Setup. It's typically found at the top of your screen, providing you with options to manage different aspects of your site. Now hover over the Getting Paid section. You'll notice that this opens up a drop-down menu highlighting several options related to managing your payments and invoices. This is your gateway to setting up receipts and other financial instruments on Wix. Next, click on Invoices. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your invoices. If this is your first time here, don't worry, it's designed to be very user-friendly, walking you through each necessary step. You'll see an option that says Get Started. Click on this button to proceed. This will initiate the process of creating and sending invoices, preparing you for the tasks ahead. Now it's time to select the customer you wish to send a receipt to. You'll find a list of your customers, so choose the appropriate one for this transaction. Having a specific customer in mind ensures you're sending the receipt to the right person. From here, you should add an invoice title. A clear and descriptive title helps both you and your customer to quickly identify the purpose of the invoice, making it easier to track and record it correctly in your accounting system. Next up, you'll want to specify the product or service associated with the invoice. This detail is essential as it lays out exactly what the receipt is for, offering transparency to your client. If applicable, you can add a discount to your invoice. To do this, simply enter the discount amount or percentage. Offering discounts can be a great way to incentivize clients and repeat business, so if this step is relevant to you, take advantage of it. Once you're satisfied with the discount, consider if you want to request a deposit. If so, indicate the amount required up front. Deposits secure your time and resources, assuring both parties are committed to the transaction. You also have the option to edit the issue date. Select the correct date as it starts the timeline for when payment is expected, providing clarity to the recipient. Similarly, adjust the due date to specify when the total amount is expected to be paid. Ensure that this date is realistic both for your business needs and your customers' payment cycles. Finally, review all details, and when you're ready, click on Send Invoice. This sends the receipt to the customer, completing the process. You've efficiently created and dispatched a receipt through Wix, ensuring your financial records are kept up to date and your clients are well informed. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide was helpful.